Generate videos like this, and like this entirely for free using Grok. Elon Musk is doing an amazing job. This tool is entirely free and you can generate as many videos as you want. Maybe with time, Elon Musk is going to put it behind a paywall, but for now, while it's free, let's make the best out of it. To do this, all you're going to need is a mobile phone and internet connection. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into how to get this started. You go over to App Store and you go ahead and search Grok. Now you make sure you download it. Mine needs update, but I'm just going to go ahead and update it. Now we open. Now once you are here, you have this interface. You can simply ask it to generate an image for you. Now you basically just wait. It generates the images very fast as compared to other AIs. Now just like that, we have our images generated and it gives you two variations. Can you imagine that? Now we can go ahead and press download. And now let's basically click on this play button. Just like that, it generates the video from your image without you having to separately import the image. Isn't that just amazing? Now you can see its percentage is counting. When it reaches 100%, it means our video is done and we will be able to play. Now you can as well bring in photos and generate images with the photos you bring in from somewhere else. You click on imagine, then from here you click on this image here and you select photo library. Now you can pick the image you want and it's going to go ahead and generate a video. Now let's say you want this customized to specifically what you want it to be. Where you have this edit video, you type in your new prompts. Make the dragon breathe fire while flying. Now guess what? All of this is completely free, at least for now. Maybe with time Elon Musk is going to put this behind a paywall, but for now when it's free, make sure you make the best out of it. If you like this video, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more. See you on me next.